In this video, I'll show you how to view production graphs in GeoCarta, Davesco's mapping and query application. In this example, I'm going to zoom into an area using my AOI tool. And there's three ways that you can view production graphs within GeoCarta. First is if you just want to see a graph for one well at a time, you can use our quick prod plot tool to simply click on a well and open up the production graph. If you wanted to see more than one well at a time, you can use one of our selection tools. Now the well list builder allows you to click on well spots from the map, and then you can send those wells to ProdPlot. Or you could grab a group of wells and say send to the Data Explorer. And from the Data Explorer window, you can be a little more selective in the wells that you want to view the production graph for. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to group these wells by the current status. And I'm only interested in the wells that are producing right now. So I'm really only interested in these 4 wells that are flowing crude and pumping crude. And I'm going to create a new worksheet from that. And I'm going to go to my Export tab and click on Engineering Tools. I only want to see the production plot, but we do also have a gas material balance plot and a pool evaluator report. I'm going to say Export, and I get my production graph, and I've got my 4 wells. So this is a group plot of the 4 wells, and I can toggle batch mode and then see an individual plot for each of those wells. You can control the substances that you see on the graph just by double-clicking and going into the properties sheet, and you can choose different substances to go on up to 8 different axes. And these are things like monthly production, daily production, calendar, rates, ratios, the number of hours, or even the number of wells. On any one of these substances, you can click on the decline button to do a quick decline analysis. And you can enter in how you want to do the calculation, what your economic limit is, and you can control the dates down at the bottom for how you're going to do this computation. I'm just going to say OK to that. When you have your decline curve, you also get more information up at the top of the graph to do with the remaining life, the ultimate reserves, and the final production date. And that's how you view production graphs in GeoCarta.